guys, so it's already midnight and I'm so sleepy, so I'll get short to the point. You guys might be wondering why it's midnight and I haven't slept yet, because I have exams this weekend and I'm traveling, so like I have to answer, and the exams are important, so like I have to answer while I'm traveling, and my teacher sent me questions, so like yeah, I just need to answer them. Okay, let it be. Just let it go. So the thing I want to tell you guys is where I am right now. It's in VLLO because we can't stay in Mandalay because the earthquake is still going on and still striking, still shaking. So like we're scared, just like the others were scared. So we couldn't just can't stay in Mandalay for like overnight. So like we just decided to stay somewhere in VLLO. So like I'm at a hotel right now. To be honest, very first we decided to stay at a monastery that we know, but you know, people lost homes, and like some people even lost like everything they have just because of these natural disasters and also civil wars. Last year was like flooding in Myanmar, and now it's like earthquake, and last 3 years maybe, and still going on. The civil war is like people's bro. So let's just say people, they're survivors. So the survivors, some of them lost homes, right? And they're scared of the earthquake, so like they moved to like Pyongyang, and then they stay at the monasteries. So we couldn't stay at the monastery anymore, and we just have to find a hotel. That's all. And don't worry guys, because we're going back to Mandalay to donate things. The reason why we came here is like we want to donate, so we'll go back, so don't worry. I'm just bored, like I wanted to talk to you guys, nothing. So bye bye guys, see you tomorrow. I'll take you guys with me tomorrow. Bye bye. So guys, it's nearly 4 p.m. and guess what? We can't go to Sky anymore because the road's like too stuck, like too tight. By tight I mean it's because of cars. We stuck there and stuff. So like we just can't wait anymore because we'll go back to our home this evening too. So like we have to manage our time, and it's nearly 4 p.m. right now. plus we cannot go back to our home without donating anything, so like, we just decided to go back to Mandalay and then donate to patients in like Mandalay General Hospital. Our our monk, a monk we worship, also say that will be way better to donate Mandalay General Hospital, because there are so many injured patients there, like more patients there, so it will be better if we donate to that hospital. So we're actually heading to Mandalay Hospital, and plus we haven't eaten anything yet since this morning after eating corn, so like we're really hungry right now. But yeah, everything's so messed up, and guys, I'm exhausted. Not only me, but everyone's exhausted though.